First question, write down the expression, an expression for AB. First question it is, so let you write AB. AB we can write in terms of position vector, which is OB minus OA, and that is actually the second vector is OB here. This is the vector OB given, and this is the vector OA given, because it is written here position vector. Position vector of A means OA, we know that, and if it is written there position vector of B means OB, so just put this to respective vector. B is 11i plus 42j, and minus OA vector, which is minus 2i plus 3j, because minus minus it makes the plus. 11 minus 2 is 9i, and 42 plus 3, which is 45j, and that are in terms of I and j, and this is our answer of the first part. Then the second one, it is written there, C lies on AB such that AC equals to 1/3 of AB. Sometimes we also can do that without drawing the diagram, because AC written they're asking to length of OC. First we have to find out OC vector. Let me do that. So OC, to get the OC we can go first from O to A, then we can reach to A to C. OA vector we are going to write from here, which given twice I minus 3j, and AC is actually here the information provided. AC equals to 1/3 of AB. Let me write 1/3, and AB we can took from here, which is 9i plus 45j. Now just remove the bracket from here, which gives us twice I minus 3j plus 9 by 3 is 3i, remove the bracket, and plus 3, 15, 45, so 45j. Add both of them, 3 plus 2 is 5i, plus another one, 15 minus 13 is 12j. And in this stage this is the vector OC, but the question is length of OC. It means that we have to find out the modulus of this vector. This is the way how to find out the modulus, which you can write 5 square plus 12 square, and this is one popular value which gives us 169, and modulus of 169 is 13. We can write directly this is the length of the OC. Then the part C here, find the, it is written find the position vector of OD, means we have to find out OD, and what the information written here, let's say the point D lies on OA, so such that this is spelled. This is the main information we are going to use. Let you consider D lies on OA means we can write KOA, because one point is lies on another line. I can write it. So K of OA vector is given here 2i minus 3j. Let me put it twice I minus 3j. Then it gives us 2ki minus 3kj. This is our vector OD. Now we are going to find out DC vector. DC, actually we have to write OC minus OD. We already have the vector OC here, 5i plus 12j. Let me write 5i plus 12j minus OD vector is 2ki, then another part minus minus plus, which is 3kj. So if you write in terms of I and j, then we have to take I common, 5 plus 2k, and if we take j common, then we can write it 5, not plus 2k, extremely sorry, we need to write 5 minus 2k here, 5 minus 2k, the first one. If we take j common, which is 12 plus 3k, this is the vector DC, and we know the vector OB. OB is written here, which is 11i. This is the vector OB, 11i plus 12. So the main relation for DC, it is given parallel to OB. Main relation now we are going to implement, which is coefficient ratios are equal, vectors coefficient ratios are equal, we are going to equate the coefficient of I, say it is written here 5 minus 2k, 5 minus 2k, and its I coefficient is given here 5 from OC. Let you write here 5, and on the right side it is it's not parallel to OC, so it's parallel to OB. Sorry, extremely I did another mistake. It's 5I, sorry. So I coefficient is 11, we have to put it here. So 5 minus 2k divided by 11, and on the right side it is 12 plus 3k, which is coefficient of the z, and here the coefficient of the z is, which is 42 divided by 42. That is the main relation to get our value of k. So we can take 3 common on the top, from the top, which is k plus 4 we can write, and on the bottom it is 42. Now cut out to this 2, 1, 14 we can write. So now we have to do the cross multiplication, which gives us 11 into k plus 4, and on the right side it is 14 into 5 minus 2k. Let we break down 11k plus 44, and on the right side it is 14 into 5, which is 70 minus 28k. 14 into 2, 28k. So 11k plus 28k equals to 70 minus 44. So what is the value coming out? Let me see. 8 plus 9, which is 39k, and on the right side it is 36. Yeah, because 6 and 1 5 2, yeah. Is it 36 or 26? It's 26. I am doing mistake, lot of mistakes today. Equals to, we needed to write 6 5 2, yeah, 26. Now the value of k we got from here 26 divided by 39, we can cut out with the 13, 2 and 3 we got from there, so constant we got 2, 3. So now just one simple part is remaining to find out position vector of D. Just we are going to replace the k value here, OD. So we can finally write OD equals to, it is written here 2ki minus 3kz. We're going to replace the value of k by 2 by 3. Let me write 2 by 3, and minus it is 3z into k value is again 2 by 3. Yeah, so it gives us 4i by 3, the first part, and second part we can cut out this 3 and 3, so it gives us 2iz. This is our position vector of the D. Thanks for watching with patience my tutorial.